Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing. The challenge at hand involves formatting a PSObject in PowerShell. The problem lies in the default behavior, where each property of the object is displayed in a separate column, rather than each property being displayed on a new row. This default formatting can quickly become messy, especially when dealing with longer property values. Now, let's move on to the solution. To address this issue, the first step is to create the PSObject using a simplified and more readable syntax. By using pscustomobject along with key value pairs for each property, we can create the object with ease. This approach not only streamlines the code, but also makes it more intuitive to understand. Now, let's proceed with the next part of the solution. Once the object is created, PowerShell will automatically decide on the best way to display it based on the number of properties. To ensure a cleaner and more user-friendly output, we can use the format list cmdlet. By piping the object to format list, we instruct PowerShell to present the object in a list format, where each property is displayed with its corresponding value on a new line. This effectively solves the problem of the default column-wise output. In summary, by restructuring how the PSObject is created and utilizing the format list cmdlet, we can achieve a much more organized and readable output. This approach not only enhances the visual presentation of the object, but also simplifies the process of interpreting the data. With that said, I hope you found this solution helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.